Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 30 July 2018, 02 of hour, 05 of minute and 34 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what is the new Taptic engine? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what is the new Taptic engine. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what is the new Taptic engine. A combination of tap and haptic feedback, Taptic engine is a name Apple created for its technology that provides tactile sensations in the form of vibrations to users of Apple devices like the Apple Watch, iPhones, iPads, and MacBook laptops. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.